Terra Trace is Terra Ledger's compliance platform, a system and method for real-time, cryptographically verifiable chain of custody management for consignments. Terra Trace is a free market alternative to existing legacy systems. It captures custody records in real time. It applies dual cryptographic signatures. Terra Trace anchors evidence to public blockchains, and Terra Trace enables instant verification by any stakeholder. Here is a walkthrough of Terra Trace's system of architecture, which is comprised of 9 components. 1. Seller or Terra Trace device. A mobile or desktop device used to input consignment information, capture sensor data such as weight, photos, etc., and authenticate the seller. Here, the seller initiates a custody event using Terra Trace. 2. Terra Trace application. Software responsible for generating the custody record, integrating blockchain references, and applying initial signatures. Consignment details, sensor measurements, and metadata are captured. 3. Blockchain reference module. A service that retrieves the current block number and block hash from a public blockchain network to ensure immutable proof of timing. The blockchain reference module retrieves the latest block hash. 4. Hash generation module. A component that creates a cryptographic hash of the custody record, including all metadata, to establish a digital fingerprint. The hash generation module creates a digital fingerprint of the complete record. 5. Seller signature module. Functionality that applies the seller's digital signature to the hash to prove authorship and integrity. The seller signature module applies the seller's digital signature. 6. Validator assignment module. Logic that deterministically assigns a validator using a randomness source. The validator assignment module deterministically selects a validator. 7. Validator signature module. The assigned validator uses this component to review the custody record and apply a second independent signature. The validator signature module applies the validator's signature. 8. Blockchain anchoring module. Publishes the custody record to a public ledger for permanent reference. 9. Verification interface. A retrieval system that allows buyers, auditors, or other stakeholders to verify custody records against blockchain references and signatures. The verification interface enables external parties to view or audit the authenticity, timing, and location of consignments in real time. Terra Trace is a market differentiator. It is a platform that publishes records as they occur, eliminates systemic risks such as record tampering, and enables third-party auditing of the supply chain. Terra Trace is a trailblazer. Terra Trace is the first cryptographically verifiable chain of custody management system. Terra Trace 1.0 will capitalize on recent trade agreements for critical mineral consignments originating from the Democratic Republic of Congo, a service that is essential to U.S. corporations. Long-term, Terra Trace will be scaled across other jurisdictions and sectors. The Terra Trace team has met important milestones ahead of field testing, including filing a provisional patent application. Terra Trace is seeking funding to achieve its deployment phase and build a robust sales team. Reach out today for term sheet details. Thank you.